Welcome back to Ox Tools. I'm Tom, and welcome to Tip Blitz. These are short tips and tricks for those people that don't have a lot of time, like the rest of us. All right, today's Tip Blitz is when your oil stones or your wet stones get clogged up with material. Now these are precision ground flat stones, but what we're going to do is, you can see they're kind of loaded up a little bit. We're going to clean these, and the hot whammy way to clean these is in an ultrasonic cleaner. So I'm going to get this ready to go, and then we'll turn it on with the camera so you can see just how well this works. Okay, so we got a mixture of just a degreaser. In this case it's simple green, so we're just going to put those in there, and I poured it in there real carefully so that it didn't foam up, so that it would photograph reasonably well. But what I want you to watch, let's see, a little bit of a reflection there. Okay, so I'm going to turn this thing on. What I want you to do is watch the surface of those, and watch this stuff start flying off of there. You see that? It's just jumping off the surface, so hopefully you guys can see that. So we'll leave those in there for, this thing has a 15-minute timer on it, so we'll leave it in there for 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll get a look at those. That's pretty good, huh? Now, I did scrub them with the brush a little bit to remove some of the stuff that was still on there, so just full disclosure there. But it's pretty good from where they were. And this is just a soft nylon, like toothbrush here. So we'll rinse those, and then we'll dry them, and they're ready to do some more work. So anyway, quick tip blitz, and hope you enjoyed that, and we're gonna have plenty more of these.